15th, 2021. Day number 2 of the Snowmageddon, I guess, if you want to call it. Snowpocalypse. Really not that bad. Probably about 8 inches to a foot of snow on the ground. Starting to warm up a little bit. Still about 30 to 32 degrees. They've done a pretty good job on the streets. But the snow is actually very beautiful up here. Not a lot of people know how to drive in this stuff up here. This is a military road going north. Turn left on 216th and go across I-5 to Pack Highway, and then go north on Pack Highway towards the airport to see how bad it is there. Good. I-5 is just wet and slush in places. Alright, crossing over I-5, now we're heading toward Des Moines, and the roads are even crappier here. Highway. We're gonna go north on Pack Highway. So, alright, so the roads don't look bad here, so I'll shoot some more video here in a few.